Hello, in this video we're going to look at real and money flows in a two-sector economy. Now I've got an example for you. We have a teacher. I've been told it doesn't look like me, but it was the best the Bitmoji could do. So the teacher, that's my household, and I'm going to show you 3 examples of how I have been interdependent with producers in the last couple of days. So my first one, I am a teacher at Avonside Girls High School, and I have provided my labour by teaching and making these videos and interacting with you guys online. That is the provision of my labour to Avonside Girls High School. I have also purchased some items in the last couple of days. My first one is that I have paid for next week's bargain box, which means that my real flow from them is that they are going to send me the food and the recipes to cook 5 meals for my family next week. I have also spent some money on Eeny Meeny. They are a school supplies shop. My children came into the lockdown and having left their pencil cases at school, and my daughter has worked her way through a whole pack of felts already this lockdown, so I had to buy some extra school supplies from Eeny Meeny. So those are the real flows. If we have a look, we've got a flow going from me to a producer. I've provided my labour, which is a factor of production, through the form of teaching and marking and interacting with people online. That's how I have earned my money this week. I have spent some of my money. I have am receiving some food and some recipes that's getting delivered to my door contactlessly, so I'm not outside interacting with other people who may have COVID-19. And the real flow from bargain box to me is food and recipes. And then we have Eeny Meeny, which is a stationery supplier, and the real flow from Eeny Meeny to me is the school supplies that will be arriving at my door sometime in the next day or two. I can't wait, my daughter can do some more artwork. All right, now let's have a look at the money flows in that same situation. So Avonside paid me for my teaching. It was payday yesterday, so that's for my return for my labour. I receive a payment. Now, I wanted to feed my family, so I bought a bargain box. I paid for that online. They took the money out of my bank account to pay for next week's box of food. And also, I made a payment through online purchases to Eeny Meeny for my school supplies. So those are the flows. We've got a real flow and a money flow for each of those transactions going to each of those businesses. I hope that makes sense. Tune in again and we'll look at interdependence some more. Thank you.